with an automatic transmission. This rear-wheel drive sedan, with fewer than 60,000 miles on the odometer, is well equipped. This Dodge features side airbags, dual power seats, and tilt wheel. Safety features include fog lights, traction control, and stability control. Comfort and convenience features include keyless entry, power windows, and heated seats. Give us a call to schedule your test drive today.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.